So, do you like to avoid getting bugs all over you whenever you're outside? I presently work in allergy, and so many of my patients tell me that their kids or family members often just get really bad, severe, swollen, painful bug bites. And unfortunately, there's not much you can do other than try to prevent them from getting on you in the first place. Now, lately, when I was traveling and we were walking along the ocean, there was just constant bugs. They kept getting in my face. I think I swallowed a few, inhaled a few. So it's nice to put something on your body to repel bugs. But I don't like all the chemical ingredients in your common insect sprays like DEET or permethrin. Most of them tend to be neurotoxic, so I don't want to be putting them on my body. I don't want to inhale them or get them on my skin, which absorbs everything. So I make my own, and actually I love the smell better than any perfume or body spray. So it's very easy, you can make it in a couple minutes. So first I use a cup of witch hazel, which I just buy at any big box store like Walmart. Then I use a half cup of water. I like filtered water so that there isn't any gunk in it. A teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, just so that it helps cling and it acts a bit as a preservative. I put it in a glass bottle because I'm going to add essential oils and you don't want that to break down the plastic. But then I might put it in a smaller bottle to take and travel. So then I add about 30 drops of essential oils, and they're specific ones that have insect repellent properties, like lavender, peppermint, tea tree oil. What I like to do is start with the basics that really work the best, like eucalyptus, lemongrass, and citronella. And then I usually add a little rosemary, lavender, maybe a touch of tea tree or peppermint, but usually those don't really mix scent-wise. But if you start with those basics, you can also just kind of start mixing them together and decide what scent you like. And it's very effective. We tested it out. When I wasn't wearing it, I was just inhaling and swallowing bugs right and left. And then I did not see a single one. When you spray it around your chest, neck, hair, arms, just anywhere that the bugs are gonna land. So give it a try. It's a piece of cake, it's affordable, and it smells great. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.